Hello and good morning, guys. This is Mark from Always Soul 123 doing a video walk around in this nice Tuesday morning, guys, in Fort Lauderdale. Oh, this beautiful Ford Transit. That's some unusual vehicle for us because usually we don't get them, but we just happen to have one because it's a passenger. And that's why I decided to actually have one here. Take a look. It does have most of the seats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 people. The rest of the seats are not here. Take a look. Nice van. You can always, buy the seats and just clip them on here. You can look them up on Car Dash Parts, any junkyard, and pretty much anywhere. Facebook Marketplace. Take a look. Now we got 99,000 miles. It's a Transit T350 passenger. AC is cold. Okay, so we're gonna go on the bottom of this unit now. That's your tires. Take a look. Nice, no rust, guys. Just ship you the truck, van, whatever, anywhere you like. Let's close this. Okay, closes perfectly. Take a look. We got some lawn people doing grass, so we're gonna hear some noise. Let's open up this. It's an XLT model. XLT model, look. Nice glass passenger van. Right? Of course it's gonna have some scratches, dings, dents, like all of them and most of them. Take a look. Oh, look, it's sensors. Didn't know that. Okay, so we got this body on the side has some scratches right there. Take a look. This is the body. This is the tire. There's something going on here. Okay, so we got some things then, scratches. Okay. So let's go inside here. That's the door panel. Driver's seat worn. 99,000 miles, guys. I'm gonna stop this video because these guys gonna clean up the grass, make a lot of noise. Okay, so we'll try to open the. Take a look. Looks good. Okay, guys. Sold by Always Soul 123. 2015 T350 Ford Transit passenger with some seats missing. Keep in touch. God bless. Thank you so much and bye bye.